Last Sunday, I saw a team on the field play as hard as they could to win a football game. We lost, not because of effort or desire, but because of lack of leadership, lack of trust. One of those issues has been resolved. But leadership means nothing if a team doesn't believe in each other. Players spend years together before they develop trust in one another. And I'm asking you to do it in a week. Not a reasonable request, but these aren't reasonable times. Now, I know you all have concerns about this Sunday. But a real man admits his fears. That's what I'm asking you to do here tonight. Who wants to start? Fears, let's talk about it. Fears.
I'm scared of spiders, Coach.
Well, that's not what I meant.
Me too, Coach. I'm afraid of spiders too, Coach. Yeah. Goddamn spiders freak me too, fellas.
Well, I didn't mean that, though. What I'm talking about...
Especially in your bed, man. Ever get one of those spiders crawling up your arms, man?
And then he crawling on you, man.
Oh, damn.
Oh, thanks, Jumbo. You can just rock me to sleep tonight.
Okay, that's great, but that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is what scares us on the field.
What you mean, like spiders on the field?
Can we get beyond the spiders, please?
Bees?
Bees.
Bees. Y'all know about them bees?
Anybody here afraid of anything other than insects? Huh? Come on.
Quicksand.
Oh, shit.
Hey, quicksand's a scary mother, man. I mean, first of all, it suck you right in, and even if you scream, you get all that muck in your
I don't think
mouth.
that's what Shane had in mind, frankly.
Huh?
That's not what he had in mind.
What are you talking about then, Coach?
Well, why don't you ask him?
Hey, what's up, Shane?
You're playing, and you think everything is going fine, but then one thing goes wrong, and then another, and another. And you try to fight back, but the harder you fight, the deeper you sink, till you can't move. You can't breathe, because you're in over your head. Like quicksand.
That's some deep shit, Shane. Some deep shit.
Anything else you're afraid of?
Going back to the mini-mart.
The shipping yard.
The auto plant?
Prison.
Yeah, all right. The truth is, you guys have been given something that every athlete dreams of. A second chance. And you're afraid of blowing it. We all are. But now our fear is shared, and we can overcome it together. Let's lose that fear this Sunday and put it into San Diego. Yeah. Come on!